Hey, it's Andrew Goodwin with AGD and welcome to day 5, and we're sealing the gap here. Today we're going to talk about ventilation strategies in fire zones and really what you need to know about how to ventilate and how to deal with ventilation in your roofs, in your attics, and your crawl spaces. Embers don't need much space to cause major damage, and we've seen that personally in rebuilding homes from the Thomas Fire and in Santa Rosa and in Altadena. A single 1/8 inch gap, a little tiny gap, can be enough to ignite an attic or crawl space which typically is full of flammable materials. Think about it. Your attic may have fiberglass insulation in it. It may have all your boxes from the last time you moved. It may have those Christmas and Halloween decorations that are extremely flammable. So under the 2025 WUI Code, vents must be flame and ember resistant. Flame and ember resistant. The other option would be just to design them so that they are self-closing during a fire event. Your traditional gable and your soffit vents are no longer compliant, and you must understand that you can't just go to Home Depot and pull it off the shelf anymore. It needs to meet the requirements. So consider that there are also other options besides venting your attics. In our practice, we typically recommend doing a spray insulation as an alternative, or putting rigid insulation over the sheathing on the outside of the roof and the walls so that you can comply with the building code requirements where you're not required to ventilate. This would be a tightened envelope with no air impermeability requirements. The goal here, if you do need ventilation, is to not let embers from getting in. But if you don't need ventilation, then embers won't get in. So remember that as we go through this. Today's download that we are putting in this email includes a smart vent diagram and some comparisons and alternatives. So I want to challenge you to walk through your own building or your home and check your vent types. See if there's an opportunity for you to retrofit. And speaking of retrofitting, tomorrow we'll be exploring retrofitting older homes because it's never too late to upgrade. Until then, take care.